One of the main issues that firefighters face is rolling up the hoses. They are required to roll up the hoses in tight watermelon rolls in order for them to be efficiently transported between locations. The rolling process, however, is done by hand and very often causes sore arms in the firefighters after rolling many hoses in a day.
The Phoenix crouton is opened by placing it on its side, and then releasing the clip holding the sides of the case to the middle panel. This allows for the doors to lay perpendicular to the middle panel. One end of the hose is then placed inside the white spindle and led out of the slot on the side. The door is then latched back onto the middle panel using the clip. A handle is then attached to the outside of the middle panel. After the handle is attached, it is rotated in a clockwise motion, which winds the hose up around the spindle on the inside.
In order to turn the sprinklers on, we built this fire risk detection system.
The system is independent of household utilities. Water is taken from a pond or reservoir, and electricity is from an independent power supply.
This is our control system. Here we have a DHT22 sensor. It detects humidity and temperature, which is sent to the Arduino. The Arduino displays the data on an LCD screen. The screen alternates between displaying the pump status and the fire risk, and the humidity and temperature.
Our team of engineers have been hard at work, designing a product to improve employee safety and workplace efficiency. Tired of dealing with customers like this? With VaxiScan, you don't have to. Look at how effectively VaxiScan works, with no employee intervention required. All the while, still allowing vaccinated clients into your business. Watch! She simply scans her vaccine card and gains entry into the building.
The VaxiScan invention stemmed from the idea to create a solution to the trending problem of restaurants and retail locations having customers come in and lash out at their employees over the requirement of vaccination to enter the premises. By creating a physical barrier that requires a valid vaccination passport, it creates a non-confrontational step for customers to enter before being greeted by the employees, such as someone entering a restaurant before getting greeted by the hostess.
Coming in version 2, there will be integrated ID verification and a separate module for the exit laser, incorporating wireless protocols. This project has given our team first-hand experience with the design process, from ideation to final prototypes, and while we face challenges, we push through them together.
The Snuffit is a portable CO2 fire extinguisher made specifically for campfires. The device has 4 rotating arms and a central spike made to be placed in the middle of a dwindling fire. When the trigger is squeezed, CO2 is expelled from the canister and into the fire, smothering it and cooling the system. This is our prototype for a product called Snuffit. We constructed it out of PVC pipe fittings and a CO2 adapter made for mountain bike tires. The arms, as well as the handle mechanism, are 3D printed. Ideally in our final design, and the scale of the product would encompass an entire car camping campfire.
Microcontroller inside our panic protection system is connected to a 9-volt battery, which can be turned on and off via this switch here. The accessibility is great because of this quick access port here allows you to replace each component individually, saving you time and money. Charging and programming is taken care of by a fully waterproof port on the side of the panic protection system. This makes our product not only effective, but affordable and accessible, so that it spends more time in the field and less time in the shop.
The PPS works by planting the base of this extendable shaft into the ground. This shaft is designed this way in order to protect the heat sensor during transportation. Now, the PPS was originally designed to send a wireless signal via radio frequencies to firefighters. But due to the scope of the project and limited budget, we had to alter our design to send a signal via a LED light on the top and a buzzer located here.
Here, so then the firefighter would have to come and manually check out this area in order to make sure there's nothing here.
Handle with the axe attachment is shown. The durable steel threads rotate 4.5 times to ensure a stable yet convenient connection. Here is the entirety of the handle and carrying box. In this image, a powerful triple LED flashlight is attached to the handle for carrying, displaying the versatility of the Handle Plus. A highly sensitive temperature and humidity sensor is fitted to the bottom of the handle, allowing firefighters to predict a potentially dangerous situation. A rubber of nitrile rejects water, oil, and grease, so firefighters always have a superior grip. The handle of the tool locks into the box by lining it up with the slot and giving a slight turn. The handle can be detached quickly for tool use. 2 strong hinges allow the box to open 120 degrees smoothly. Here we see the handle slides easily in and out of its supports, as well as a thread on the box. The thread on either side can be used for attachments such as quarter-turn hose fittings, which allows firefighters to easily pull hose with the box. A ruler is added on the box for extra convenience. The box opens widely, revealing supports for the axe and hose supports.
Thank you.